Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, CBD Laganson. Brett James Ujamal S1. Daina Brizuela, Troop S2. McKinley Duaso, Troop S3. John Clyde Gasser, Troop S4. Major Leader Ariane May Daco. DBC Leader Andrew Bertlin Amante. CPT Company Commander Paula Tampukaw. CPT Company XO Vincent Angelo Paite. First Platoon Leader Alan T. Peñafrancia Jr. Second Platoon Leader Rexy Abigail Respeto. School Head Sister Salvacion Albao. CPT MAPEH Facilitator Mr. Jose Competente Jr. Assistant Facilitator Mr. James Camano. Major Coordinator Mr. Eric Lirico. Band Director Mr. Eric Lirico. Entry number 2, St. Andrew Academy Incorporated, San Antonio, Sangay, Camarines Sur.
May I request the principal or the head of school of this to stay in the middle.
Thank you. Entry number 3,